Hi, hello everyone. This is Vikas Parikh from Doubletradera. So today we are here with a new series that we're going to start with now. That is about the GTM, that is the Google Tag Manager. In this video, what we're going to cover is like the introduction of the GTM, what is GTM and what kind of a platform it is, how this is useful for us and why we use GTM. Alright, so I'll just make sure I can cover as much as I can in short video. I won't take much of your time, but I'll make sure in this short video you will have full knowledge about the GTM, like everything. So what is GTM? So GTM is a free tool provided by the Google that allows the business owners to manage various tags and tracking codes on their website, right, without having to make changes to the website code directly. So this GTM allows us, the business owners, to track how their business, the websites are working in the Google and where the customers are coming. Tags are snippets. What are tags? Tags are the snippet codes that track website activity and provide the data for analytics and the marketing purpose for the marketers and the digital marketers. GTM simplifies the process of managing the tags and providing a user-friendly interface, add and modify or remove the codes and everything. So in GTMs, we have the triggers. What are triggers? Triggers are the rules which we tell, when to fire, how to track. Say for an example, I am having a website known as e-commerce website. Now I want to track how many customers clicked on my add to cart button. So by simply telling the tag that whenever the customer comes in and when they click on the triggers, then only you have to fire it. So I must know when the customer came in and when they clicked on that tag, that trigger. So I should have that information. So GTM works by installing the container code in a website, which is a small piece of JavaScript code that allows a GTM to manage tags on the website. Once the container code is installed in the website, then the website owners can create tags and the triggers within the website. Website owners create tags and triggers within the GTM to track specific website events, such as clicks on certain buttons, form submissions, or the page views. So one of the key benefits of using GTM tag is that it allows website owners to easily manage multiple tags from different services like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and many other services. So this eliminates the need to manually add and update multiple tags on the website code. So of course this will save the time of the website owners, the coders, and as you don't have to go again and again for the error rectifications or something, adding the codes. So it will definitely eliminate the possibility to have the errors in the coding. Another benefit of the GTM is that it allows website owners to test and debug their tags without having to make changes to the website code. So this makes it easier to troubleshoot any issues with tags or triggers and ensures that they are firing correctly. So whenever you are not having any activity in the website and when you feel like these triggers are not working, so you can easily modify them. You don't have to go for all the coding process and everything. So in this way, as I explained, as I say, this will help you to save time and eliminate the errors while coding. So in summary, like what we understood with this Google Tag Manager is, Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool provided by the Google, of course. Website owners in this, can simplify the process of managing tags and triggers in one place, and by using GTM website owners can save time, reduce errors, and easily manage multiple tags from different services all in one place, so that they can use services and the marketing digital marketing services in a very good way. Like, they should understand where they are investing. They must understand the outcome, so that whenever they plan for the next marketing strategy, they must have the proper data. And in order to get that, GTM is the most important tool provided for the company. Thank you for the time. I hope this will help you. And in coming videos, we will of course explain the installation, how we can install the Google Tag Manager in the websites. Last but not the least, in order to get more out of us, you please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button, the like and comment on our video, so that we can understand what is the need and what you want to learn in our next upcoming videos. Thank you.